Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to use Sam's Club Pay and Go. So let's get started. First, download the Sam's Club app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it. Sign in with your Sam's Club membership credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, tap on the Scan and Go icon at the bottom of the screen. This feature lets you scan items as you shop. As you shop, use your phone to scan the barcodes of the items you want to purchase. Simply point your camera at the barcode and the app will automatically add it to your cart. When you're done shopping, tap on the cart icon to review your items. Make sure everything you want to purchase is listed correctly. Tap on the checkout button. You can pay directly through the app using your safe payment method. The app will then generate a QR code for your purchase. After you have paid, head to the exit and show the QR code to the Sam's Club associate. They'll scan it to verify your purchase and you're good to go. And that's it. You successfully used Sam's Club Pay and Go for a smooth and fast shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. Happy shopping!